Hello, ladies and gentlemen, what's up? It's RustedBerry here, and today I'm joined with WillCaddy and Kittiemeow, and we are wooden tools and stone tools again. Yeah. Basically, I'll basically just describe it. I'll just tell a story for Will's ears as well, I guess. So stuff went down on Golden Shores. That's Will's on. I don't think he uploaded a video, but Will's on a server called Golden Shores that I got him on. But stuff went down with that big time. And when I say big time, I mean humongous things, including TNT and rule breaking. And for an SMP, nah, it's not the SMP you want to be on.
Nah, bro.
So we kind of made our own SMP called, I don't even know what it's called. It's like Crewcraft, I guess it'd be called.
The Cad Crew.
Yeah, the Cad Crew. We're basically just Crewcraft. So far we've got me, Will, Cat, EXPHunter, who I think also is in the call.
Hey.
Yep, he's in the call, but he's not on the server though. And then we've
He'll
got...
be joining us eventually.
I'll be joining you actually now, because I was editing. Sorry.
Okay, and then we have Yatestrex.
So unprofessional.
Who was also on Golden Shores. We have Cactus Liam HD, who was also on the last thing, and we are hoping to get some more people applying. So we've got a pretty sick seed here. If you want it, ask either me or Will in the comments or whatever. Probably will get the people asking him.
If you check out my video, I'm doing /seed right now, so you can see what it is.
I may as well do it. Hang on there. Oh, I don't have permission. Okay, that's cool.
Only ops can do that. So check out my video if you want to see the seed.
And
yeah,
like we've got hills over there. We've got a desert over there. We've got an acacia. We've got a swamp. So we've got access to the majority of mobs. It took us a while to find this world, about 10 minutes. Not that long, but yeah.
We had a bit of a shifty around on interwebs, and we and also
so we didn't have on Golden Shores. Sorry, Will.
Carry on, sorry.
On Golden Shores, we had this super OP seed that basically allowed us to get any ore super easy. Like literally, you could mine down and find diamonds straight away, or some kind of ore. It was just ridiculous. So we've just been trying out seeds to do this, and I think we've got a good one. So
I think we've got a cracker. I think myself.
Hopefully.
We've got quite a lot of area to build the residential. That's what we're going to start on. We're smelting the cobblestone already to get the stone slabs going, marking the plots. We're having 26 by 26 plots, but the insides are going to be 24 by 24. So you basically got 24 by 24 to build on. And then the...
Oh my god, my arms look so weird.
By the way, I never actually... I probably should have thought of this before we actually started the server, but are we doing a world border with us, or are we just going to have sort of a rule that we'll wait a week before we start branching off? And what is from the cat?
Come and look at me, I've got skinny arms.
That is the best. So if all goes to plan, we should have two crew crafts, I guess, going on. But not all the crew will be on the modded server. There'll only be, I don't think, so...
Sorry.
But that'll be fun. That's a custom mod pack that'll be made by Will that will be on, and I'll do a series on it and stuff, so that'll be cool. So basically, I'm happy. Nothing's going to go wrong, because Will's a sick server owner, and he, so nothing's going to go wrong, I don't think. Not like... So I'm a lot happy to be on a server that either Will owns or I own myself, if I did ever have one. Then being on one as a complete randomer. And no, Cat, not yours. I wouldn't know.
So mean.
No love, not feeling the love right now.
So yeah, we're basically just going to clear out this big area here to make it a bit more flatter. We're going to set out some plots, fill in this area, set out some plots around here, have them going down there, and it will look fantastic. Won't it?
I like that mountain over there. It's quite cool.
Well, that's the idea.
So I think we're going to take a break now, and
so we can clear it.
We'll probably find you later on by ourselves.
We'll be doing our
in 2 seconds, basically.
Little, sort of montage stuff to begin with.
Yeah.
Well, I will be anyway. I don't know what.
Oh, hang on. Should we speak about the rules?
Might be an
we can
idea.
do, and also we're yet to decide on whether we're going to have like that world border thing. Or are we just going to have sort of a rule as opposed to...
We could have it 1,000 by 1,000 or 750 by 750.
Yeah. So I'll set that up when we get rolling. But generally what we're going to be doing is keeping... doing a community thing first. and then sort of like start off with like sort of spawn houses and stuff, and then we're going to start branching off.
And our community stuff are awesome, just because we're actually friends and we're not just randomers who've met each other.
Yeah.
Well, we kind of are, but we're more friends
We
now.
were to begin with, but we're.
Will, you forgot to whitelist Liam.
Oh, I'll do that instead.
Okay, yeah. So basically, I think the rules are no
Awkward.
TNT, no fire. We are allowed pranks, but to a certain extent. Well, actually, like no TNT or fire in pranks, because that's just.
Yeah.
I've already had the brunt of that. I don't really want to have to go.
Not on this server though.
No, not
'cause
on this
it's
server.
a nice server. Nice
So
people.
basically, what we're gonna say is like
Y'all
we
got
can
nothing
do
to-
pranky stuff, but within reason, sort of thing. It's like if it goes into griefing, then people will get a stern
Like,
talking to.
would you
shall
class turning some basically dinner boning someone's house as a griefing prank?
we say? Not really, no.
No.
Dinner boning.
Well, I think I've got my first prank sorted.
Oh, not me.
It'll probably be
please.
good. It'll probably be done on Liam because his very first houses are quite simple, and then he puts effort into it like straight after when he's got some kind of resemblance to a house, just to live in to get resources. So I think I'm probably going to do it on him because it'll be easier.
I have
Yeah.
stone slabs.
Sweet. Okay, if you want to put and again, so we're going to take a break
Yeah.
and we'll be back. So
We'll be back in a bizzle.
Bye,
Yep.
guys.
bye. Have a great time.
Creeper. Oh god. It blew up. Oh shit, the bed.
I did tell
your
you.
name's going. Oh shit! The bed underneath the.
I found one creeper. There was a creeper right next to the other creeper.
I did tell you.
Well,
You're
no,
not
there were
doing
two
too well, are
creepers,
you?
just one creeper.
Give me the coal.
Yes. Oh god. Fuck!
Oh! What blew up?
Oh god.
I did try to tell you.
Go, Will. You use yourself as a distraction. Oh, little fella. Ah!
I have no sympathy for you right now.
I killed it.
We need, we're having issues here.
Some serious. Ow! Douche nozzle.
I know you made it
I'm
blow
swinging.
up over here.
God damn you, Rob.
I'm sorry.
Rob, you're a knob.
Uh-oh.
Oh!
Creeper. Well, there's a creeper. What is that? Why is there a load of stone slabs? Who did that?
That's one of the plots that Will set out.
Oh, it looks nice. Charge!
Oh God, Rob.
Oh, your knob! I was trying to help you.
You just got in my way. Get out of it.
Uh-oh.
Totally worth it.
Uh-oh.
Oh my
Uh-oh.
God. That was
me.
worth.
Help
No.
me.
No.
Help.
No.
Help.
No.
Help.
Certainly
Help.
not. Certainly
You'll be
bloody not.
fine.
Help.
No.
Help.
No.
Oh, God. Run away. Shit. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, God. Run. Run away. Run away. Hey, Creeper.
So I'm still laughing at the knob. The knob coming.
No, Rob!
For fuck's sake!
What? Oh!
Die!
No! What the hell is going on?
Just stay in one place for God's sake,
Stay
man.
in the house and stay there. Just
It's dangerous in here.
Oh my
On the
God!
on the
Where's
outside,
the
I think
chickens?
she's
The
in
chickens
great-
are alive. They're still alive. It's fine.
fancy going back into the thingamajigger, the mine?
Would it be okay if I said no? It's dangerous down there.
No.
It would be okay if I said no.
Wait, come on. Wait. Come on. Come on, Wuss and Boots.
What?
What? So dangerous. Here, have my pick.
Wuss and Boots.
Have my pick. Oh, for God's sake. Oh, there it is.
Wuss and Boots. Wuss and Boots.
Works so.
I wonder if you can make...
Oh god, creeper. No, maybe not.
Oh, son of a hell.
Son of a
for
hell.
God's sake. I just really cocked that up. Oh, for God's sake.
What are you
I'm
trying
just-
to do?
Trying to access the bloody chest.
You're really doing a bad job, sir.
I know. Question.
Y'all want to shut the fuck up.
Wow, okay.
Oh my god, the lag is real.
no?
Right.
Oh, there it is.
Cool.
So are
Anyway,
these ink sacs, are they useful?
stop
Sorry.
talking.
I'm sorry. I just want to know. You carry on.
Okay, cool.
I will allow you to finish.
Okay then, everybody. This is what we've done so far. Oh my god, the lag is real. The lag is real. There we go.